Oh my god!
Wait. No.
Si Optimum Prime!
Takot na naman niya.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
I know what you're doing. No. This is not safe. Shit. You badass. What the hell are you doing?
Oh shit.
Oh, gentle, good boy. Oh!
Somebody once told me the word.
Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
Di ikaw naman yun.
Feeling so good today.
Where is the...
Oh my god.
Wait.
Strider! Get out of here, I'm in the bathroom. Hey, now!
Hey, what you doing here, buddy? Your owner's probably looking for you. Whoa, hands, let me see your hands, stop position.
Oh my god. No. Do you deserve steak? You don't deserve steak. You like the... Oh! Man, you on the playground? No! No!
Oh, Billy, where you been?
Max, you okay?
Dai, almeno non te la faccio, dai.
Non te la faccio più, dai, basta, basta, c'è qua adesso. La puntura.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus. Take.
Oh, Gypsy.
Oh, no. Nina.
Thank you. Traitor.
Такое, что кошка нападала на нас. High five.
Hey!
Fuck you. Are you gonna jump? Don't jump. Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey!
¿Qué quieres, traganueces? Chúpame los huevos.
Be careful, babe.
Jump!
Traitor.
Holy shit. Ow! Fuck!
What? Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
I tried to bribe him, but this cat knew what was coming and he was prepared for war.
Good cat.
He has a precisely calculated battle method. Pretend to be calm and laid back, and then take me by surprise. His name is Riesling, and he's a 2-year-old British Longhair. What is it with the British cats and their attitude? Riesling is covered in mats, which is the reason why he's here today.
Don't hiss at me.
Even though he doesn't like this, it's necessary to get done for his comfort and his health. Still, his facial expressions suggest that he would like to turn my face into his scratch post.
I'm making you feel better. It's okay. There. It's all out.
He had some extremely bad matting behind his ears, and I was genuinely concerned that I was not going to be able to get it out. But despite his looks of death, he actually was very good for this, and I was able to relieve him from his pain. I learned pretty quickly that he's okay with anything in his front end being touched. He is just not okay with his back end being touched. And I guess I can't say I blame him.
Good cat. But I have to scrub your dirty behind.
It wasn't long before Pippi Longstocking decided to get his vengeance.
Please don't swat. I made a run for it. What just happened?
Riesling was smart enough not to let me know his next move. For obvious reasons, we blow-dried him in the rage cage.
Okay, relax. You're okay. Are you peeing? Oh. What just fell on my shoe?
Poop.
Since I removed all of his matting and got him clean, I decided to end the grooming session today, because Riesling was clearly very stressed out. Now if you'll excuse me, I need a glass of wine.
Oh!
Oh, shit! Oh. Learn from the rock. Get it. Work with me today.
Oh, shit!
Look at your babies.
Oh no!
Huh?